So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that we have one figure which is this. In this, a regular pentagon is given to us, which is this, and the altitude of the pentagon is a plus b, which is this. So this red part is a and this blue part is b, so total is a plus b, and we have to find the ratio of a to b. So this is the problem. So let's see how we can solve this. So you see this figure. In this figure, let's assume the side of the pentagon is equal to 2 times x. So this is the side. So this will 2x and this will also be 2x because it is a regular pentagon. So all sides are same. So now you see that we have a triangle EAD. So this is E, this is A, this is D, and we can apply the cosine rule. And I can write like AD square is equal to ED square plus EA square. So ED square is this and EA square is this minus 2 times ED and EA and cos of 108 degree. Because we know in the regular pentagon the angle is 108. So now we can write AD square as 4x square, which is 2x whole square, and this is also 4x square minus 2 times 2x and 2x, and cos of 108 you can find it is 1 minus root 5 divided by 4. So this is the thing, so this will cancel and it will become like AD square is equal to 8x square, and here it is minus 2x and it is 1 minus root 5. So this is the thing. So actually it is x multiplied by x. So here it will come as x square. So this is this. So AD square is simply 6x square plus, and here it is 2 root 5 uh, x square. So from here we can see that we can write AD square as root of 5 plus 1 whole square multiplied by x square. So we can write this. So AD value will become as root of 5 plus 1 times x. So in this way we can do this. Because you open this, then it will come like 5 plus 1 plus 2 root 5, which is simply 6 plus 2 root 5. So which is this. So I write just in this one and then I take the square root. So now we know the AD value, and AD value is root of 5 plus 1 times x. So you can put the value of root 5 and it will come like 3.236 times x. So this is the value of AD. Now you look this triangle AFD. So we know this angle is 90 degree, and we know this whole length has 2x. So this perpendicular will divide this figure into two equal parts, and this length will be equal to this length. So we know this whole has 2x, so this will be x and this will also be x. We can apply the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle AFD, and we can write like AD square is equal to AF square plus FD square, and AD square we know it is 3.236 times x whole square is equal to this x square plus a plus b whole square. So from here you can find the value of a plus b and it will come as 3.078 times x. You can easily calculate this. And now you see this is 2x, and so now you know this is 2x and this is also 2x. So and you also know this angle is 108. So the remaining angles is 72 degree out of 180 degree, and this is an isosceles triangle. So this will divide into two equal parts. So this will be 36 and this will also be 36. And now we know this is 90 degree. So now this angle is 36 and this is 90 degree. So we can see in the triangle EOD, which is this and this length we know as 2x. So we can easily say that the sine of 36 is equal to this a divided by 2x. So a is simply 2x divided 2x multiplied by sine 36. So this you can calculate and it will come like 1.175 times x. So now we know a value and we'll also know a plus b is equal to 3.078 times x as we calculated previously, and we know the value of a, it is 1.175 times x. So you can calculate the value of b, it will come like 1.903 times x, and you can calculate the ratio of a to b, it will come like 1.175 divided by 1.903. So this is simply 1175 divided by 1903, and in this way we can solve this problem.